Hi, good to see you again. I just wanted to let you know that I plan to run a series of debating skills workshops on Zoom. I don't know about you, but when I see some dude getting hammered on a talk show by an aggressive panel, but they're smiling and laughing, I have a lot of respect for them and wonder how they manage to do that. So these workshops are for people who want to master the art of debating a topic, build resilience, and influence another person and an audience to their outcome. These debating skills workshops are for people who want to influence politicians, political candidates, bureaucrats and friends and adversaries to your way of thinking and enjoy yourself at the same time. You will learn tools and techniques from the NLP communication model to influence other people towards your desired outcome. To give you a brief overview, we will start each workshop with a politically hot topic. You will get introduction to personality types and over time learn to recognize some of the similarities and differences between yourself and others. We will cover the basic differences between political left and political right, and you will learn how to model out some of the key characteristics of your role models so that you can become more like them. You will learn how to develop your rapport skills such that you can build a better sense of liking and trust with people. And you will learn how to elicit values and use values to motivate people. This is a big one. Every decision you make is based upon a value. So once you know someone's values hierarchy, you can engineer the conversation in any direction that you choose. You'll also learn how to structure a conversation using the hierarchy of ideas model and map out the conversation using logical levels of abstraction and logical types. Now, some people, especially politicians, tend to favour vague, flowery abstractions, like Kamala Harris, which might sound nice, which might feel nice, but do not give us any specific details. If you want to control the conversation, then you need to be able to abstract up and down to varying degrees of specificity and also to be able to shift across logical types and draw relevant comparisons and analogies and metaphors. And you need to be able to track your opponent as they move around that grid, so to speak. You will also get an introduction to the NLP meta model, which is used to gather high quality information and bring people out of trance. When people abstract up, they create a trance state in the audience. To bring people out of trance, we need to abstract down to specific details. You will also learn to be mindful of your use of questions, statements, and commands. And last but not least, you will learn the importance of developing requisite variety, such that you can lead the conversation in any direction that you choose. Requisite variety is number one. Comes from systems theory. So if you would like to improve your debating skills, then make sure you click on the link below the video, which will take you to my website, where you can get more details on workshop dates and times. On the web page, you will need to click on the register link and fill out the form. Once I get your contact details, then I can send you more information on upcoming workshops. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email from my website, and looking forward to seeing you on Zoom.